Yeah.
What's up, everybody? This is the first episode of After Work, or what we may call Off the Farm, even though we're not off the farm. We're fixing to load up these little guys. This is Peppers. This is Pepperoni. That's Ladybug. That's Muffers. This is Bodini, as we used to call him, because when he was little, he'd find a way out of his cage. And this is Willie. G Willie here. Go, Bo, go, go, go. Go, Pep, go, go, go. I put that there. I have to jump over that. And then you got Gigi. We got that on video, by the way. This is my lovely wife here, Morgan. Y'all go in there. This is Sadie Mae. So this is Sadie Mae. Come on, Sadie. Come on, Sadie.
Stop, don't get my outfit. It looks
Mi
bad.
hermana es loco y mucho grande.
Shut up.
We are heading to Canyon Creek. Sadie is pissing off every other dog back there. Sadie pissed off Lady, so she's had to hop up here with us.
Can't be going this fast. Is this your new camera in this bag set?
The reason we call it Canyon Creek is because this is like the Florida's Grand Canyon. It is very deep. Bo is a Catahoula leopard. Sadie is a pure lab. Gigi is a mini Dachshund. Pepper is, as much as we can guess, a Australian. What's Lady supposed to be? Jack Russell Terrier mix is what Lady is.
Where's Sadie? Sadie.
She made it, maybe.
Not yet. That's the hard part right there.
Look at you go, babe.
Shut up. What do you want me to talk about? Here we have Morgan Adams. What'd you say? Sorry, cut you off.
Can you do some parkour or something?
Yeah, I do actually.
Dude, they can make that. Dude, I can.
From which point, right?
From there to the.
Oh, yeah. I thought you meant from right here.
No, that part.
How did that feel?
It wasn't fun.
Your ankle hurt a little bit.
I don't know if this.
I don't think.
No, it honestly, my front baby fall in the front baby right now. While in the back. Business in the back, party in the front. You know what I'm saying?
It is nasty.
She's gonna get Chandler nasty. Go get her, bud.
Okay.
Get her. He said,
Let her right here. Oh God.
Stuck in mud.
Here. Yeah, that would really suck. If you were parachuting and your butt happened to end up coming through here, you would be in a. It wouldn't be fun. So the reason this water is tea colored or brown or a light brown, it's not really brown because it's see-through, but is because of oak trees. Their leaves put off a substance that makes the water tannic, which just makes it that color. So our rivers are also this color. All of our rivers around here have this, and then the deeper the water, the darker it looks, even though it's all the same color, but it can get, as you notice, this is deeper spots, so they're getting darker. And so some places will be completely black. So our rivers, most of the time, are literally fully black, where you can't see anything in them. Good girl, look at you.